Okay, back to my dirty garage. And my time on this tractor is about up. You got like 24 hours in between checking the blades. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, first you make sure this is off, of course. Make sure your handles are in neutral position, which just means open, pull it all the way back. Seat goes forward. Disconnect the batteries because you want to have fun. But first, unplug. That'd be a nice surprise, huh? I'd like to hang this thing up, but where I got to hang it up is only on these small 2x4s, and this thing weighs pretty good. I don't trust it being on one little screw. And that's why it's not hanging from the ceiling. Now disconnect your batteries. Eventually, one-handedly. Give it. Thank you. Alright. Now our handyman, the special friend. Cardboard! Okay. Oh yeah. Now you gotta put. I wonder if that can close like that. Yeah. Okay. Well, another way I would do it, but since I'm showing you how to do it, I'll do it this way. Put on pedal. Yeah. Turn this to its lowest setting. That's not it. There we go. And now put the deck all the way down. Now back onto the handy secret weapon, cardboard. Oh yeah, I could use a light. Huh. Somehow, oh okay. Okay, I get it. You're not gonna be able to see that. Hold on. Alright. Now, all I'm seeing is this little thing here. Let's do that. It's my first time. Give it. Thank you. And there should be one on the other side. Let's see if I can use my go-go gadget arms. Ugh. Yeah. Thank you. And now, oh, look at this special thing. Oh, ain't that neat? Oh, okay. Here, so I guess I already had it popped out. Raw! Huh. Ain't that something? Okay, now check the other side. Not sure if I'm going to be able to do this one-handed. I see. Pull this, get this, put this back in to hold it in place. Okay, pull this back, and then this lever here goes down, so this comes up, and now you gotta take this hook off of this bar. Yeah. on the RYOBI, get both sides. Hey. Alrighty then. This is not going to be a one-handed job. Gonna have to push you back here somewhere. Completely out the way. Maybe over here would be good. We'll find out later. Alright. It's not that it's heavy, it's that it's new and I don't want to scratch it. There we go. Ah, and you put it on your fingers. Yeah, not a lot of room right there. Alright, so I guess now everything's disconnected. And this is off. And I will drag it out. Oh, again, gonna have to set this aside. You scratching it up. Stop that. Not too bad. Could use a sharpening. But no dings, no cracks or nothing. Now, of course, any sticks that are like, bigger than 2 fingers I pick up, but usually smaller than that, I just kind of run over so I can see what it can do. Yeah. They're dull, but just need a sharpening. Okay, as I was putting this back together, top tip. After you bench press this thing, which wasn't too much fun because the only way I found to do it was to put my hands inside here because there's no room under here. This is laying right on the ground, right? You gotta pick up the deck, which ain't too bad, and put it onto this hook here. See, as I focus. Okay, you got this hook here. It goes to the deck, and you gotta go onto this bar. Now, I can't believe I just put my finger in there. Anyway, what you gotta watch is when you touch this spring-loaded thing here. Because when you touch it, okay, now this went down, putting a bar here so your deck can't just fall right off, right? You gotta watch the spring-loaded thing. You don't want to have your finger in there when that snaps shut. That's all. Watch for that. Thanks for watching. Okay, and for anyone that was wondering how you clean these out, I've only found 2 ways. One, you can unbolt it and take this cover off. Maybe. Looks kind of in there if you ask me. That bolt might just be decoration. I don't know. What I did, the handyman secret weapon, air compressor. I just stuck the air compressor in here. It blew everything around and the grass all came out, as you can see. But don't forget, you got 2 sides. This one, I don't know why I seem to blow out a little bit easier. But you definitely don't want to keep grass piled up in there and overcook these motors. Then, now that you got your blades sharpened and everything's done, don't forget to get your blades up off that damn ground. So, pick it up, adjust. You see where I'm cutting, I gotta put that boy up. So, that's where it's gonna stay. Now, down here, get your keys. On. Check complete. Inspect the blades in 16. Hold to reset. Well, I just sharpened the blade, so. And there you go. Inspect in 25 hours. This is so you can hook it up to your phone, but it only has like 100-foot reach. So for me, yeah. And there you go. Thanks for watching.